morning, students. Yesterday I have told you how many kinds of sentences are there. So there are 4 kinds of sentences. Today let's begin with the exercises also. So write at the left side your date, today's date, lesson number 2, kinds of sentences, at the right side classwork and exercise A, and write the statement also, that write against the sentence its kind. Yesterday I have told you 4 kinds of sentences. How you identify that? So I am going to help you like this. First one, I have 2 questions to ask. Start doing in your fair copies, and neat and clean handwriting should be there. First statement is I have 2 questions to ask. This is a simple statement, and I have told you in the earlier classes also that simple statement or declarative sentence is known as assertive sentence. So write it is assertive sentence like this. Okay, come to the second one. Second is how will you help your mother in the kitchen? This statement is question word is in the starting, how, and the statement is asking the question that how will you help your mother in the kitchen, and at the last question mark is also given, so it is a interrogative form, so it is a interrogative sentence. Write interrogative sentence. Sentence here. In the next one, third one, mail this letter today. In this is also looking like a simple statement, but anybody is requesting that mail this letter today, so it is a imperative sentence. So complete it. It is a imperative sentence. Fill imperative sentence in the blank. Okay, imperative sentence. Spelling should be correct. Write it neatly. Fourth, do not waste your time like this. In this statement, this is also looking like a simple statement, but somebody is giving the advice to anybody, so it is a imperative sentence. So write in the blank that it is a imperative sentence like this. Okay, next one, fifth one, what a mess you have made. You are seeing in this statement at the last exclamation mark will be there. So, and it is a statement of a sudden feeling, so it is a exclamatory sentence. So fill in the blanks, exclamatory sentence. Okay, come to the next one. We will help all those who want to work. So this statement is a direct statement or simple statement, so it is a assertive sentence. Okay, so write it assertive sentence. Thick. Come to the next. In the next statement, is he your elder brother? In this statement is asking the question, and at the last interrogation mark is also there, so it is a interrogative sentence. Always remind that when any statement is asking the question and interrogative mark is at the last, so it is an interrogative sentence. Come to the next one, eighth one. Take this money and get lost. This is also looking like a simple statement, but anybody is giving the order that take this money and get lost. So it is a imperative sentence, because I told you earlier also that any order, command or request is given in the statement, it is known as imperative sentence. Okay, so complete it like this. Then come to the next ninth statement. Wow, what a victory for our team. In this sentence, wow, after that exclamation mark will be there, and it is a sudden feeling of victory for our team. So it is a feeling of joy and sudden feeling of surprise and joy, so it is a exclamatory sentence. So complete it with exclamatory sentence. Fill up the blanks with exclamatory sentence. Come to the next one. 10th, she has not visited us yet. In this, not word is there. Not word is the negative word used in the sentence. And I have told you in the previous classes also that not is the negative, show the negativity in the sentence. So it is a negative assertive sentence. Negative assertive. It is a negative of assertive sentence. So complete it like this in your fair copies. What you have to do, you all have to write like this in your fair copies. Neat and clean handwriting should be there, and after that you have to revise this exercise many times and complete in your notebooks like this. Thank you.